What's something people don't know about cats? These 5 issues you should totally avoid. First up, hairballs. Yuck, right? Make sure your kitty's got enough fiber. Next, litter box blues. Clean it daily. Nobody likes a dirty bathroom, not even your feline friend. Third, obesity. Keep those treats in check and encourage playtime. Chubby cats are cute but not healthy. Fourth, dental disasters. Regular vet checkups and dental treats can save your cat's smile. And finally, boredom. Cats need mental stimulation. Invest in toys or create DIY fun. So, keep these tips in mind and ensure your cat lives their best 9 lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more possum tips.